On today's episode, we're going to be doing things a little different. So both of our projects are on hold. My car is in storage at my place. We're not going to be bringing it out and going to Stefan's until the weather breaks and the salt's away. And your project...
Still waiting on parts. It's almost there, but hopefully this week.
Well, we're waiting.
So, yeah, your project being on hold until we get those parts installed. So today, we're at a different location. We're working on somebody else's car. You've seen him before. He helped us install the K24. Cam!
Hello again. Welcome to my house.
So we're going to be working on your car today. What are we going to be doing?
So I have a whole bunch of parts just ready for like a spring refresh, winter build thing. So I've got brakes, new pads, rotors, working on an AC system install from a 94 that Stefan parted out. Nice. And then some diff stuff. We got bushings, draining, refilling the diff, new radiator, all that stuff.
So basically, just getting your car ready for spring. Mostly general maintenance, a couple new little upgrades here and there. This is very normal for us here in upstate New York. We want to get this crap done with, so when the weather breaks, we actually can get out and enjoy our cars. I guess we'll just jump in, see how much we get done, and go from there. this is a wrap today. Where did we get to?
So I drained and replaced the old radiator in prep for putting in all the AC stuff. Started running the lines, but the condenser and everything's still out. We also replaced the switch panel, so now I have the AC button where I just had a blank before, so that's good. Did all 4 corners of the brakes, so new rotors and pads, so good amount of work there.
And then I tackled the diff, so we dropped that, put in some new polyurethane bushings to get rid of the old compliant rubber set. Who knows how old they were. And then also took out his clutch master and slave and swapped in a newer set. They tend to fail, so it's always a good idea. And we also put in a braided clutch line, which has better pedal feel and all that than the factory setup. So should feel good come spring.
Yeah, and there was a little bit of a race
I
with
lost.
doing the brakes. You did. Stefan did 3 corners in the time of him doing 1, if I'm not mistaken.
I took a little break to go and work on some file transfers for the video, but you know,
It's okay.
I still would have lost if it was a fair fight.
I would have lost that race as well.
It's not a
my
competition.
friend. But if it was, you would win.
Practice.
So yeah, where does that leave you?
So I still have a few items left. I've got a pedal set, a catch can, finishing the AC obviously because that's not done. Just little things like that, but for the most part, it's that much closer to going in the spring, so I'm looking forward to it.
Which is what we were really set out to do
Right.
today. You know, spring is coming. It's hard to imagine in this moment. It seems like an endless winter, but it is going to be here soon. So we want to make sure that once the weather breaks, we can get out and drive and bring you along with us. And that's, you know, what this channel is going to be about as well. So down below, comment, subscribe, and follow along. It's going to be good. All right, let's do it.
So what am I saying when I come in? Just hi?
Just don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. Do that.
Do
Do
you
that
want to not
step
be
in.
in the center this time?
No, it's perfect. Black, tall.
Okay.
It's framed perfectly.